Your iPhone can send iMessage. This feature may be disabled to save data or due to a system failure. I'll tell you how to quickly activate it. Watch the video to the end and you will learn a simple trick. So basically with iMessage, your messages will be blue instead of green, and in the field you will see this marking iMessage. Now to turn that on, we need to go in Settings. Scroll all the way down and find this last section, Apps. Now just search for the Messages app in the list. And after that, we can adjust some settings. So, to enable iMessage on iPhone, you just need to find section iMessage and make sure that switch is green. If you can see it like that, then you need to just tap on it so it will become green. Then you can go in Send and Receive. And here you can just select number or your mail to start new conversations from. And you can receive iMessage to and reply from. Here also select your mail and phone number. Then you can go in iMessage apps and, for example, disable some of them if needed or reverse enable by toggle on the switch. And again, let me show you how it looks. So, blue message, and in the field we can see marking iMessage. With regular, we can see messages green, and in the field we can see info text message and SMS. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.